Greetings, YouTube model train people. This video is showing off my latest 3D printed building. This is another house. It's called House 3. I know, very creative. It's very similar to House 2, which was this one. If you didn't catch that video, I'll link it above. They're basically exactly the same. It just has the living room here has been extended out a little bit to make it a bit larger, and then the roof line is a little more, it's just a little more fancy version of the very simple, very small house. This would be about 700 square feet in HO scale. Or maybe this one's a little bigger. That one's about 700 square feet. So I'll give a look around here. Yeah, so it fits in several pieces. The lower section from here down is all one piece, and the roof section is all one piece, and then the doors, windows, and the gutters are also individually applied pieces. So, as with all my buildings, this is available to download off Thingiverse if you want to print one for yourself. I will put a link in the description box below. And yeah, that's about it for this time. Here we go. Yeah, if you print one of these off, definitely I'd like to hear in the comments how it worked out, how you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.